Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. And the signal I share for you is for EURCAD, EURCAD, and it's definitely a buy right now, okay? If you look here on the 4-hour chart, we see that we have a very strong signal to buy right here. And notice that it came in on the opposite candle, on the last candle rather, and has not repainted yet, which is a very, very good sign. So this definitely means that it's definitely going to be going up. If you drop down to the 1-hour chart, look at this. Okay, came in a few hours ago, right, and has been going up. Now it's starting to retrace a little bit, but that's okay because as soon as it's going to be going back up again. All right. So right now I would not buy. I would not jump into this unless you want, but I would not buy immediately. What I would do, however, is draw a trend line. Okay, you can go to the 1-hour or 4-hour chart. Not a big deal. If you go on the 4-hour chart, you just draw a trend line from this point coming down like that. Okay, and you have 1, 2, 3 points that make the trend line. That's all we need. And then what we're doing though is we're waiting for this to break. Okay, if you use a 4-hour chart, wait for 2 candles to break. If you use the 1-hour chart, wait for at least 3 candles to break. Okay, typically what happens on the 1-hour chart is you will see the first candle break, the second candle drop, and then the third candle go back up. Okay, so that's why I say wait. Okay, people would like to go ahead and buy right away, and the market makers or the banks or brokers, whoever's in charge of this, they will actually force the price to go in the wrong direction so they can hit people's stop loss or scare people into closing the trade. And as soon as you hit the stop loss or close the trade, it's going to shoot right back up. So my advice to you for this is do not use any take profit or stop loss. Simply wait to an optimal time to place the trade. Okay, once you place the trade, wait for the next red arrow. Okay, and I would probably drop down to a 30-minute chart and wait for the red arrow to form wherever that's going to form, and then close the trade manually. Yes, you're going to have to keep an eye on this, but you have to come every few hours and check on it. You don't have to check on it every 5 minutes. But definitely, come in every couple hours. You can set a timer on your stopwatch or your reminder in your cell phone, and then come back and check on this. Once an hour is fine. Every other hour, whenever you got a free chance, right? Check on this. If you get the red arrow, close it. Okay, take your profit. Okay. Now, what you can also do, if you want to be able to kind of like set and forget, is if you go up here to the 1-hour chart, check this out. I'm going to remove this trend line so you can see easier. But we're going to draw a Fibonacci retracement, okay, and use some pending orders. So all you have to do is go on the toolbar right here, click on that F for Fibonacci, and draw from this candle down to the bottom of this candle, okay, from the high point to the low point. And then we're going to put multiple pending orders above the 23.6, above the 38.2, and above the 50 level, okay. And how we do that is go right here on the new order and change the type of order from market execution to pending order, and then where it says type right here, change it to buy stop. Okay, and then at price we're going to choose a little bit above the 23.6, which is going to be 1.53 400. That should be okay for now. And then take profit is going to be 1.53 700, I guess. I don't know. Let's try that. See how it looks. Okay, well, it's not so bad. I can actually take profit and raise it just slightly. Okay, so that way we have space above this and a little space below here. Okay, I probably could get about 400 pips out of that, but not a big deal. If we look here on the take profit, it should say how many pips you got. I got 422 pips. That's more than enough. And then we can place yet another pending order. Watch this. Go here and choose buy stop again. And for at price, I'm going to put above the 38.2, which I'm going to pick 1.53, or actually 1.54 100, and take profit at 1.54 400. I think that's about 300 pips, right? Yeah, 300 pips on profit. Perfect. So you see we got a space right here, space right there. That's what you want to look for. Okay. Now next we can place a pending order above here. Okay, and this is how you do it. Again, place new order. I know I'm just repeating myself, right? And then choose buy stop again and choose the at price of 1.54. Let's say 700, and take profit at 1.54. 1.55. I'll leave it like that. That's only 300 points, right? Perfect. Again. Okay, good. So that's 300 pips, 300 pips, and 400. I could even lower that a little bit, but don't get too greedy, but it's okay. It don't matter. So even if you have 300, 300, 300 like that, you start stacking these. And idea behind this is, okay, if this trade would close tomorrow, let's say it closes tomorrow, tomorrow's Wednesday, the next one will close Thursday, and the last one Friday. That's kind of the strategy, have one every day. This way you don't have one big trade open for a long time and you have to incur all these swap fees along the way. So this is a perfect strategy for this type of signal. So anyhow, that's my free daily signal for today. EURCAD is a buy. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments about how to trade this signal or any of my other Telegram signals. If you have not joined my Telegram signal group, please do so that way you know, I can help you with trading. If you have any questions, please contact me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video to contact me there. Contact me there first. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group, and you can join that as well and post any questions or comments in my Facebook group. Okay? So with that said, thank you and have a wonderful day, and just let me know if I can help you.